Feel lost in what to post during a launch? This is for you. When you launch an offer, not all posts have the same job. There are 3 parts of the funnel: the top, middle, and bottom. Stage 1. Top of the funnel. It is for awareness and authority. Your post should help people notice you and trust your point of view. This stage is not for explaining your whole service or giving heavily educational tutorials. Instead, focus on ideas, opinions, and how you see the market as a founder. You can screenshot these ideas. Stage 2. Middle of the funnel. Trust should grow in this stage. The goal here is to provide safety and conviction. It's not for hard selling, discounts, or random testimonials without context. You should show your process, set expectations, and answer doubts for people to trust you. Here are the ideas you can screenshot. Stage 3. Bottom of the funnel. The conversion or selling stage. The goal here is for your audience to decide and act on your offer. At this stage, you cannot apologize for selling or over-explain your price. Your uncertainty will only confuse people. Here, you should explain your offer, show what it solves, share results, and invite people to buy from you. These are some ideas you can screenshot. The best timeline for launches for each stage is top and middle of the funnel content for 2 to 3 weeks as a warm-up and teaser. Then, 1 full week, focus on the bottom of the funnel and downsell offers. Don't have time to do all the research, structure, and ideation alone? Our strategy book provides a structured plan for the next 3 to 6 months. DM Strat to get your strategy book. We only accept 3 orders a month, so secure yours early.